Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you in a detail how you can use override material and render mask. So don't waste your time, let's get started. As you can see that I use two model for your reference, and also I make small room with these three walls, one top light as I use as a primary. This is second light, so I use as a secondary light, and this is the third. So let's get start. First, you need to override your materials. So now we go to render setup, and also you can open by pressing F10. Go to global switches, and here override material. So you need to take V-Ray material, which I already take. Now go to our respective view camera and start setup lighting. So this is the light lister. So you can easily open this panel by pressing this button, and also you get, as you know that we use three lights 123, so we get three lights here. Go to camera and start one IPR. You can see that little bit shadow here. So I need to increase the intensity of this model up to 100. Okay. Now I close this light and I start secondary light with, I start with click here and go to temperature up to 3500. So I increase little bit this intensity 32 40. Okay, now I start this light also, so you can get ideas about the lighting. So I also increase the yellow light up to 60. Now I start third light with change the shade of this light. So go to here and sorry, I like only light and I color. Now I start third light, start it, and I close these two light, and I use, when you click here you can get this panel modify list. So I change it, it's blue color. Okay. Now you can see that the light shade, so it is the perfect shade. So I start when I start this two lights, and so you can see the little bit blue shade in this side. So I increase this value up to 50, 80. Okay, first I need to change this white material with this wood materials. So I simply change it to material. Click here and near to. Okay, now we can see that. Now I start. Also, you can see that light is. We need to increase the white shade so you can get the reflection more here. You need to increase your light. So go to the light panel. One more time I open video setting and override material. Now I increase this intensity top light up to uh, burn this area. So I use as 200. So as you can see there, this area is burn with yellow top light. So it's good for our renders. And now also I use 60 to 120. So this area is also burn, and I also this value of 2 double. So now I stop here and I start normal render without override material and start render. So now you can see that our render is done, and I did Photoshop. So I will show you final render image. So you can see that quality of this image you can see the shade of this pot, and here, and also this will show the sharpness of this image. So this is the final render. So you can see that clarity of this image. So that is the end of override material. Render mask. So you need to go to V-Ray, then image sampler, and you can get render mask. Now you need to select it. So how it's work? When you select any object from your model, so it render only selected object. So here I take this object and I change material of this object from white to golden, and also I give this material here. So you can see that when I render, at that time it does not change material of this file. They can only render this box. So material is changed white to wood. So I open VFB and start render. So you can get the ideas. You can see that I change material both, but I select this box. So they render only this box. Now if I select this cloth, and when I start render, so it render only this cloths only. So this is the use of render mask. Now this is the end of today's tutorial. If you have any queries related to 3ds Max 5, so you can contact me on Instagram and Facebook. I give both the link in my description, so you can easily contact me. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will meet in next tutorial.